An ordinary landscape, one void and desolate, except for a few lingering beasts. But in all this madness, we see some signs of life. The blizzard of 2011, Snow Fort. Snow Fort looks very well constructed. Emblem intact for those that are enemies or friends of the people of this particular snow fort. The gate well constructed with a fiber core. The beasts lay outside. Looks like a watch station with a measuring of about 4 feet at the walls on this point, looking over the vast countryside for attack. Over here, looks like we have a sitting room. Fire in the midst of all this ice. How ironic. Over here, what do we have? Ah, fresh beer. Nothing better. Now back to the fort. Up the stairs to the king's main chambers. We see another watch station, abandoned, and ancient fire pits in the corner. Looking down at the fort, you see the guard station, the main recreation room, and main gate. Thank you. She's in!